Cobra got trapped in a fishing net, and thirst would have finished her if she couldn't attract people's attention. So she took a risk, and the people called a snake rescuer who took care of her. This orca got stuck on the rocks at low tide. She was doomed, but rescuers poured water on her for 6 hours so that she wouldn't die from overheating before the tide came in. This is what happens when a hummingbird doesn't notice a tree while flying 40 kilometers per hour. Looks like it's doing a system check now. Look at how this dog gets swept away by the current. It takes a whole team of police officers to get it out. But the most difficult part was still ahead of them, urgently resuscitating the dog. This shark would have paid the ultimate price for hunting seagulls in shallow water if not for these caring people. They had to literally throw it back home.